Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. First step is to disable Edge in Startup Apps. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. On left side select Startup Apps. On right side find Microsoft Edge. Right click on it and select Disable it. After disabling it, just to close stuff here. The second step is to check Edge Startup Boost feature. We need to disable that, guys. To do this, open a page, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select system and performance. On right side you just need to disable the startup boost and continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Disable it, and after that just to close stuff here. Step 3 is to turn off Edge as the default browser for certain actions. Windows sometimes open Microsoft Edge by default for specific links or web searches. To prevent this, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select apps. On right side select default apps. You just need to scroll down and find Edge. Select it. You just need to change the default for various file types such as HTML, PDF and HTTPS links to a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. Just like this, select it and change this browser to Chrome. After doing it, you just need to close stuff here. Step 4 is to stop Edge from opening with a task scheduler. Sometimes Microsoft Edge tasks are scheduled to run at startup. To disable that, just need to go to search menu and type task scheduler. Click on open it. Just need to select the task scheduler library in this list. If you have any task related to Microsoft Edge, just right click on it and disable it. After disabling it, just need to close stuff here. The fifth step is to check for Edge notifications or startup pages. To do this, go to search menu and type Edge. Click on open it. Click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, you just need to select start home and new tabs and make sure no startup pages are set. That might cause Edge to open automatically. After that, you just need to close stuff here. All these steps can stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.